Hey guys, welcome to another video. So basically guys, today I want us to talk about something very important. Now, if you have not been paying attention on the global markets, then you need to start paying very serious attention to what is happening on the global scale. Now, a lot of people are predicting there's going to be a new economic or a world global crash. Stock markets are going to go down, people will lose their investments and all whatnot. But also, this year is coming with, or this decade is sort of coming with new opportunities that people are not paying very serious attention to. And especially if you have dollar denominated assets or investments, then you need to pay very close attention. And if you don't, you also need to pay close attention because this can also give you opportunities to also make good amount of money in foreign currencies. This is talking to those of us who are here in Nigeria. So on both ways, this is an issue everybody needs to pay attention to. So I've been seeing a lot of talk about stable coins on the internet. I said, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna research it, and I want to take you guys on that journey with me as I research about stable coins. So I'm on ChatGPT, and so I just want to understand why stable coins are important, because a lot of people don't even know what stable coins are. I'm sure if you're watching this video right now and you have no idea of what stable coins are, then trust me, you want to pay very close attention to this. Now, understanding financial innovation, stable coins are a part of the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. As digital currencies, they combine the stability of traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar with technological advantage of blockchain. By understanding stable coins, people can grasp the innovations happening in the world of finance. Improve payment systems. Stablecoins enable fast, low cost, and secure transactions across borders, making them a potential game changer for payments and remittances. Learning about stablecoins allow people to recognize their benefits in improving global financial systems. Protections against volatility. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, stablecoins are designed to maintain a stable value, typically pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar. This makes them useful tool for people who want to avoid the volatility seen in other cryptocurrencies. Now, if you're a freelancer, if you're somebody who work for foreign currencies, you know, stable coins will be very important, to solve a lot of payment barriers. If you're in countries like Nigeria, where PayPal didn't work well at some point, there was some form of exclusion from the global economic system or the global financial system. Stable coins solve that problem, like you can rightly see. Also, why stable coins are really nice is because, unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these other cryptocurrencies, stable coins are like the word stable. They ensure that they don't fluctuate. Like today, Bitcoin is $83,000. Tomorrow it is $90,000. The next day is $60,000. If you don't want all those fluctuations, then stable coins is something you want to really get. Sometimes you can also save your money in stable coins. Is a Like I said, is a great way to have your dollar denominated. Is a great dollar denominated asset, especially for people who find it difficult to get dollars. Stable coins can literally serve as digital dollars, right? Access to digital assets. As cryptocurrencies become more mainstream, stablecoins serve as a bridge between the traditional finance system and the digital asset world. They make it easier for people to enter the crypto market without fear of price fluctuations. I mean, it's very clear. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Many governments are exploring or developing their own versions of stable coins known as the central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Understanding stablecoins help people to stay informed about the future of money and how it may be impacted by governmental digital currencies. Now, the truth is that if you read Revelations, the Bible talks about like a one religion government. There will be one currency, one world order, all these kind of things. And I feel like stable coins might also actually play a part of that. But let's not go into all those mobile jumbo. But here's the thing: understanding stable coins is very, very key if at all you're planning to build financial wealth in the new world order. Okay, you have to understand what stable coins are, all right, because it opens you up to a lot of opportunities. By the time central banks begin to list them or start to have their own form of stable coins, you can now invest in global markets easily. Now that is serious opportunities for those who will create wealth in this new decade. All right. Like I said, I just wanted to quickly do a brief summary on what stable coins are, and to just raise awareness that if you're not aware of this ongoing structure and new change in the financial system, then you have to wake up. All right, you have to wake up. You have to wake up. A lot of people are predicting a crash coming, especially from the US. So some of you or that have US stocks, you're holding some stocks. I know there have been serious sell-off in the Nasdaq. There have been serious sell-off in the Dow Jones as well. You can see very, 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 very sorry about that. There have been serious sell-off. You can see even the US 100, the Nasdaq, everything right now is selling off. Gold selling off. And if you also look, sorry about that, if you look at the VIX, you can see the volatility index is pretty high. It simply tells you that there is sort of risks of environment right now. So that is why you're seeing all this sell-off in gold, in silver, in all these asset classes. And you start to see some slight improvement or uptick in the US dollar. Let's see the DXY. You can see there's slight uptrend in the US dollar now, given the fact that US dollar is a safe haven asset, and in the times of crisis, investors like to run to safe haven assets like dollar or gold. But given the geopolitical tensions in the US right now, a lot of central banks, a lot of hedge fund managers are actually not quite sure on the dollar. Given Trump's policy that is sort of devaluing the dollar and reducing its dominance, so coupled with all these things going on, so that's why we have seen significant sell-off in the dollar. Because usually in times of tension and crisis, we usually see surge of investors rushing to the US dollar. But this is the first time in a long time where I've just seen small price action or price movement in the upside for dollar during season of risks off. But yeah, that's just my basic view. If you want me to make more videos about stable coins, how you can get them, how you can invest in them, how you can start to make money from stable coins, let me know. I just wanted to do this brief introduction to stable coins and to create awareness, for those of you, my loyal subscribers. I want to make sure that I'm carrying you guys along in everything that is going on in the world, especially in the world of finance and global opportunities. So if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.